Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I have purple and white. You're also going to need 2 feet of string. I have one here and then one over here. A needle, that's optional. Scissors, and this is also optional. I have 2 tri beads. If you don't have tri beads, you can just use a pony bead. But you're going to start with one of your strings. And you're going to put a purple on both sides. You're going to take a purple and both strings are going to go through it. Purple on both sides. Purple that goes through both. So we're just going back and forth with that pattern. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this was one of my first videos I had on my channel, but it wasn't a step-by-step, and YouTube moved it to the shorts. So if you want to see the original one, I think it was like 6 years ago. Well, technically that wasn't my first video. I deleted my first videos, but anyway, okay. Purple on both sides. Purple that goes through both. Purple on both sides. Okay, we need 11 rows. So if you want to double check to make sure you have 11, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 11 on there. And what you want to do is hold one side of the string. And what we're trying to do is shorten one side. So you're going to pull at the bottom. I'm holding this string here. And then pull the long one. So you just go back and forth as you pull these down. And then you want to make sure they're tight. So go ahead and tighten them. And once they're tight, you can tie these together. Okay, that's what it looks like. You have a long piece, and then we're going to have this tiny piece. We're going to cut that off. Put your needle on. And we're going to go through this purple. We're going to add a purple and go through this one. We're going to add another purple, but this time we're going to go through all 3 of these beads. So we're, instead of adding a bead, we're skipping. So you're going to go through all 3 of these. Gonna add a purple and go through this one. Add a purple, go through this one. Okay, that's what it looks like. And we're going to flip this around, and you're going to go up through this purple. We're adding okay, now we're gonna go up these two. We're gonna add a purple, and we're gonna go through all of these beads to get to this one. And we're going to go through this purple. So we have both of our points on here. Now we need to get to the back to the other side. We're going to go down this purple. And we're going to go up these two. Okay, circle this over. Okay, it's going to get a little tricky here. We're going down this purple and this one. See, we went down these two, and you're going to pull that tight. You're going to go up these two. And down this one. So we basically just made a path to get to this bead, so the string's coming out. Okay, we're going to go down these two. We're going up this purple, and then we're going to go down this one. Flip it over. We're going down these two. Up this one, and then down this one. So we're just making that path. Flip it over. Down these two. Up this one, and then down this one. and flip it over. Down these two, up, and then down. Oh my goodness. I'm running out of string. Should have made that just a hair longer. So you might want to... This is our last bead. We need to go through here and tie. Ooh, that's going to be tricky. You might want to give yourself a little bit more string than I did. Okay, guys, I might have to do this off camera. Oh my goodness. I'll get it, but it needs to get closer. Okay, I'm going to tie this off camera and then I'll be back. Well, you know what? Before I go ahead and just pause the video because you need to make another one of these with your string that we have over here. So go ahead and stop the video and then come back when you have both pieces. Okay guys, I got that tied and I have my other piece. So there are two hearts and you're going to want them this direction. Oh, and I have this, it's about 10 inches long. I have a string to connect these. But you're going to take your needle and go down one purple. We're going to add a white and then go up the same bead on this side. Try to make them even. They don't have to be perfect, but that's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to grab a white. Well, I think I'm going to take that needle off. We're going to grab a white. It doesn't matter what side, but we just need the string to go across. I'll do that again. So we have a bead on. We need this string to go across. And hold these ends and then pull. Now on both sides, we need to take this string and go up the second bead. Whoops. Same thing over here. And you're going to pull that and tighten it. Add another white. Have the string cross. Go up the third bead. Pull that. pull that. Okay, this is what it looks like when you're finished with the middle part. Now we're going to add 4 pony beads. And if you don't have a tri-bead, like I said, you could just use another pony bead. But I have the 4 pony beads and the tri-bead. And I'm going to take the string and I'm going to go back through the first white bead. And then tie the string. And you can cut that off. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Four pony beads and the tri-bead. Go back through that first bead and tie it. Okay, and we have our butterfly. Now I will be adding this to next week's tutorial, so if you want to get a head start and make one and put it to the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.